Hey, hello everyone. It's me again, D. Lacey, and I am coming to let you know the latest news on what's going on in my life. The last time I spoke with you all, you were waiting to hear back from me because I was going to undergo radiation treatment beginning Tuesday, January 6th. Well, the first time I went on that Tuesday, oh, it was horrible. It was a great debacle. And as a result of that, I refused to undergo radiation treatments. And it was to the point where my husband said, well, you really don't have to go. It was really bad to where I had a major panic attack on the ride home. It's a 45-minute ride home, and I couldn't breathe. I had my scarf on. I was okay. I'm sorry. I'm back. My phone rang, and I knew it was a phone call I was going to have to answer. But in any case, I had such a major panic attack. I was unbuckling my seatbelt, taking my scarf off, my coat off. I couldn't close my eyes because I felt like I was going to pass out. And then when I opened my eyes, the traffic was moving. So then I felt everything that I had eaten that day was going to come back up, and whatever I had eaten the day before was trying to come up. So it was just a mess, and it was horrible. After that, I finally got home. I calmed down, and I slept. And I woke up the very next day. I tried to sit up and watch some television, and I fell back asleep. I slept most of the day. My husband, he woke me up when he got up for to get ready for work, and that was like about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And so I was just drained, and I said, after, I can't do this. So I didn't go back. And my husband said, well, you can always go to get a second opinion because they said you could get a second opinion. So that's what I did. He advised me to go to the Cancer Treatment Centers of America. And seeing that it's only 15 minutes away from the house, ding, 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 that's what I did. So I am so happy that I went there. I am thrilled with the experience that I have so far. There are so many great things about that place. When you first walk in, there's a peace about the place. You relax. It's home. It just feels like you're at home. Um, as you see, I have on my little name badge tag thing here where with this I have to wear it every day, and that is, it gives me the meals that I get: breakfast, lunch, and dinner provided on them. The hairstyle, I hope you all like. It's a new wig. Through them, they have a program where you get donated a wig every but when you get one donated wig for the first 6 months, and then after that, if you want another one, you just bring this one back, and you can trade as many times as you want, or you could just keep the one that you have. But with this one, I'm going to wear this for about 2 months, and then I'll bring it back and I'll go get another one. So, and this is a lace front wig as well. I mean, and it's doing good because I haven't relaxed my hair and I don't know what to do. But in any case, I went on yesterday and I had another MRI done, and I was a little frustrated with the place where I left because they told me I only had 2 tumors, but there's 3. And then they're like, well, they're small enough to where you don't need to have them cut out, but they're a nice size. It's 5 centimeters by almost 4. So three is like altogether 3 point something centimeters in width and 5 centimeters in length. And so that's a nice sized tumor. So the doctor has decided to do surgery, which I will have that done on February 19th. I've opted to wait until after my 50th birthday, woo, which is on February 7th, because I really wanted to spend time with my grandchildren and my children on that day. So that is going to be my happy day. I'm going to do some trampolining, and then they're going to take me out to dinner to a really nice restaurant. So that's what I have planned for my birthday. I am meeting with a lot of doctors at the Cancer Treatment Centers of America. Everyone there has been great. I am enjoying my service. Everyone, even regardless of how long they've been there that day, they still smile and they still treat you nice and with respect. And I am just loving the treatment that I have there. Um, so until then, I don't really have anything else to say about it, but except that I'm just happy that my husband said go somewhere else and get another opinion, and I did, and I'm just glad that I went. So other than that, I'm done. And if you all have any questions, feel free to leave them in the inbox or shoot me an email, and I will respond back as soon as I can. And until the next time, you all have a great day, a great evening. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk with you later. Bye.